Alright, greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? Happy Wednesday. It's Cast Iron Wednesday. So the thing is, this month's Cast Iron Cooking Challenge is meatloaf. The only problem is running the oven for 35 to 45 minutes at 350 will just roast my condo. It's currently 97 degrees today, so yeah. So I'm just going to do chicken and waffles instead because it sounds good. I'm going to do it my way, and hopefully it'll turn out. Well, hopefully it will turn out. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm experimenting with some camera angles here. Now this is not a full pound chicken, but what I want to do is I want to fillet it wide open, and then cook each half separately. So just want to hold it steady. Let your knife do the work. Hopefully I get nice even pieces, but it can be a little tricky to do this. Sweet. Those are really close. Alright, so the stove is on. I'm gonna season my chicken. Just use whatever you have. For me, this is little Old Bay, salt, and then garlic. This is that garlic and herb I got off Costco. Been using it for a while. I haven't really been cooking as much, so I still have a ton left. Alright. I'll do the other side off camera. Pan is starting to smoke. I'm going to dredge my chicken. Well, dip it in the egg wash, dredge it in flour because I want that crispy outside. Hopefully this will work. Now I'm sure there's a traditional chicken and waffles, but we're just gonna wing it. And it might actually taste good, so. Alright. And there's the chicken. So it's a little crooked. Alright, let's get that waffle iron plugged in. So if you've seen the Food Network show Good Eats, way. In the waffle episode, this is the same style of waffle iron that Alton Brown used. It's not the same waffle iron, it's just the same brand, or even same kind. Come on, focus. This focus is really being a pain. So, yeah, like I was saying about the show, Villaware, it's got a real tight pattern to it. It's not like a Belgian waffle maker. And I actually love this waffle iron. It's got an audible timer, so when your waffle's done, it'll beep. It's been a really good waffle iron. Alright, let's do the first flip. A little crunchy on the top. Trying to keep the heat not too hot. Alright, go ahead and mix the waffle. This is just Mrs. Butterworth's pancake and waffle mix. Well, I haven't made waffles in probably months. I do actually really like waffles. A scratch waffle mix, and I actually did have a recipe written down somewhere, which isn't hard to make, but This will work fine though. Alright, so the timer went off, letting me know it was hot enough. You don't need a whole lot of spray on this because it's seasoned pretty well. I may have actually made a good amount of battery. Sweet. There goes that. Alright, so the waffles are cooking up nicely. And so is the chicken. I haven't made any additional flips, just the one. Turn down the heat just a little bit. So I want to make gravy in this pan once the chicken's done. So I got my my bacon grease right here. I'm gonna make it with whatever leftover olive oil is in here. I'm also gonna add bacon grease to it and then make a bacon gravy, which I think should be pretty tasty because, you know, bacon is always awesome. Flip these. I don't want these too dark. I might tempt this one just to see how close it is. Waffle iron should be going off any minute. Maybe I'll hear the audible alarm. Maybe I'll wait for the alarm so you guys can hear it. Should be any second now. There we go. And that's the alarm for the waffle. As you can see, it comes out all thin and crispy. And I've got the next one going right in. That may have actually been perfect amount for just 2 waffles, which I didn't even measure it, I just poured it in there. Sweet. Alright, well, it's temping up like it's done, so lower the heat a little bit more. I'm going to set the chicken right next to the waffle here. And drop in a slab of bacon grease. Probably too much. And there's my other waffle. Go ahead and unplug the waffle iron. Just pull the grease out. And of course I had to put my flour on the other side of the camera just because. And a little bit of flour. Where's my other? This is just Winco chicken broth. Now this isn't out of the refrigerator, so you don't have to worry about me pouring hot into cold. It's just that it's been on the counter. I literally just bought it today at the store, so maybe a little too hot. I don't want to pour hot, or I don't want to pull refrigerator cold liquid into a hot cast iron pan. Okay. I'm feeling that wouldn't go very well. Come on. I don't want lumps. I need to get one of those silicone coated. Actually, it turned out no problem. And pick up my mess, and then we'll. Alright, let's plate it up. Put this waffle down. Get this chicken on here. That's grease is draining over my stove. Now I'm sure that this is not the way chicken and waffles is actually supposed to be made, but you know, I'm just totally winging it. At the end of the day, if it tastes good, that's all that matters. Get a fork and a knife. Get that taste. All right, chicken and waffles. Dude. Yeah, I'll tell you what. That is really good. Mmm. Wow. It's got a really nice flavor. The gravy, the waffles, the biscuits, or the waffles, the chicken. I'm gonna sit down and eat. Alright, well this is where I'd be holding up a plate, except I already threw it in the sink. So, but yeah, that was delicious. Really good. It may not have been traditional, but delicious. I ate every bite, both breasts. Well, the one whole breast, cut it in half. Ate all the waffles, just clean those plates. I would make that again, anytime. Still hot here though. Alright, well anyway, don't forget to check the end cards, probably here, or either side. It'll be right here on the screen somewhere. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check the playlist for more videos, and have a good one. See ya.